What is up, trappers? Check it out, another episode of Creeping While You're Sleeping. Man, it is dark out here. You guys can't even see me, but you can see we got the trap way lit, and there's a notification that Trap My Ride is live. Check this out, guys. Let's see if we can see it. There it is. That's right. It's telling me to rotate my camera. Let's flip it like this. Check this out, guys. That's right. I'm on the hoverboard tonight, man. I got wheels. But check it out, we got the trap way lit. Ooh, those lights make it hard to focus. I got the citronella out here. Bugs were eating me, guys. It was so bad. But you can see out here, man, we got the trap way lit, man. Shout out to Nico. He helped me with the mini truck. Guys, let's see. We'll get the light back on here. Down in there, he buttered that little spot for me. Tightened up that bar. Lot better, guys. Lot better. Let's see. There we go. We got the mini truck lit. You see we got Friday going on in here. We got some more projects coming up with this thing. Man, it is blue in here. I wish you guys could smell that. It smells awesome. But anyway, damn, that shut, didn't it? Anyway, we got the trap blazer out here and it is lit. We got the red going. I think that back one's set to blue. I don't know why. Let's see. Yeah, let's get it all red. How about that, guys? There we go. Yeah, check it out, man. A lot of red from this thing. Just glowing red. But that's not what I really want to show you guys. What I really want to show you is sitting right here in front of me. We're gonna get the light on. I don't know if I showed everybody. I got the tumbler for the tickets, guys. I honestly don't know if that's gonna be big enough for all the tickets. The thing said it holds like 3,000. I really don't know if that's gonna hold 3,000 tickets or not, but we only really need it to hold 1,000. But check this out. I'm a bit skeptical, a little bit. We're definitely gonna have to see. We might have to get a new tumbler. I'm not sure, but check this out, guys. These keys, I picked these up for the mini truck like forever ago, months ago. I never had them cut. I don't think I'm gonna have these two cut. We're gonna set these off to the side, but guys, I think this is gonna be the keys for the mini truck, black and blue. And I only have one key for that thing, so I need a couple extra keys. So we're gonna have some keys made. But guys, they're here. Check this out. Shout out right here, Subla Graphics and Designs, custom decals. 574-343-01 or damn it 0217. See, fs.com. Subla Graphics, there it is. Check them out, guys. But look, they are the official sticker people for Trap My Ride, and we got some here, so maybe these will be going on something here real soon, guys. But I want to give them a shout out. They did the cards, but we'll check this out, guys. Woo, there it is. Trap My Ride. You see it? We all know what font that is. I would say so anyway by now. And that's what the back looks like. I got a couple of these coming, and Subla Graphics, he did those up for me. But this may be the next run for the giveaway shirts, guys. Instead of the design I have now, I think it's like a kind of like a Tennessee whiskey design, something like that. But maybe we'll go with this design instead. You have to get in the comments and let me know what you think. That's the back. The front says Trap My Ride, and then the back will say keep on trapping. So guys, you'll have to let me know what you think about that. Oh man, check that out. I spilled my Kool-Aid jammer. I love these things, by the way, guys. It's awesome. Amazing. That's one of my favorite things. But you know, you see this box I have here. This is a heater core, and that is for the Blazer. Guys, a big shout out to O'Reilly's right here in Napanee. I want to give DJ a shout out. He moved over to the Bremen store, so he's the store manager over there, and Eric got a promotion. So big shout out to Eric here in the Napanee store. Those guys here in Napanee, they hooked me up with the right heater core, and the alternator will be here in the morning for me. So I'm not sure about the alternator on this one. It's not completely dead. It might be dying, but I want to have another one on hand just in case we kill it. But guys, this needs changed, so this would be a project all in itself here for the Blazer. That should be interesting. So that'll be what's coming up here. Also, I think I'm going to take it up to Monteith and have them take a look at a couple things for me. We come around to the wheels, guys. You see, I left them inset. See how far? Like they're still out, like really far. compared to, let's see, compared to what they were when we put them on, before I put the spacers on them. And I went with, right there you can see, Titan Wheel Accessories LLC. Those are 1.25 inch, and my plot is to bring them out to there and then lower the truck around it. But guys, I don't think I'm going to go through all the stuff to actually lower the truck. So what I'm going to do, they should be on their way anytime. They're 2.5 inches, so we're going to double this up and bring this out another 1.25 inches and bring these wheels out, and I like that a lot better, and I think it'll look a lot better. Man, look at the headlights on that. But I think it'll look a lot better on here without it being lowered. And the headlights, guys, check this out. I gotta get off this hoverboard. You see this thing, guys? Man, there we go. Ooh, yeah, right off there. But see, the headlights, man, I don't know what this is about. I think maybe that they've restored it, or it's clear coat or something, but this is terrible. This just started happening, and it irritates me. I don't like it, but it's gonna get a set of headlights like the mini truck that change color and do all the crazy stuff, so that way we can turn them on red. And we're gonna clean these lenses up, so that'll be a project to come. And I think down here in my bow tie, that comes on with the fog lights, which is fine, but I think the clear light that's in it, or the white light that's in it, some of them are blown. I think some of the diodes don't work, so we're just gonna replace that. And I think we're gonna go with the red light in there also, guys. I have a Bluetooth light set I may put in there, and I can just control it with the Bluetooth like I do the underglow and the interior LEDs and that sort. So we may do that there without, I'm not sure. But guys, I think I'm gonna go pick up these headlights tomorrow, so that way we have those. Oh, and one other thing, man, the damn train, it always gets me, guys. The wheel lights, they go in here, all that light this up. Man, these wheels are dirty. But it's the wheel light kit. I think I'm going to order that and get that in, and then we'll do these calipers. You see these calipers? Brand new caliper. Rusted the heck, man. You guys got to forgive me with the train. But the calipers need painted the same red. We're going to get the spacer in and get the wheel lights in, and that'll be a whole project here. And that'll be a whole nother wheel project here on the Blazer, and that'll really make that stand out. And these lights will be coming soon, guys. So that's what we're working on over here. I still have projects for the mini truck, guys. Let's see, let's peek in here for a second. Yeah, you see I have some adhesives and things like that. There's a heads-up display sitting in here. More projects. I know the backup camera is still sitting behind here, and that's for the drop-down screen. So that's gonna come. Like, see how this needs all tidied up. So all these gauges, guys, this probably come out of here, and we'll redo this and get that real nice. But man, big shout out, Nico. I really appreciate the help, man. It is awesome. You see there's a little bit better of the weld. He sent a picture, guys, but the weld that was on it was really ugly. And I'm sure this one is a lot better, and it doesn't sway, it doesn't do that, so it dries real nice. So I'm real happy about that, guys. And this is what the Trapway is looking like tonight. Man, my candle's about to go out, damn it. The poor Equinox, it never gets any love, but man, this thing, it does great. I'm glad to have it around. But we're gonna kill this light. Check it out, guys. We are lit out here, in and out. Ooh, man, I do love this blue. Yeah, I think one of the lights over there is set on red. They flip because they're so close. So when I hit the remote for the one over there, they flip. So I have to put some distance between them. But man, I like that blue on here. Yes, sir, I sure do. There's Brett. What is up, man? I don't know if you noticed it or not, man, but I got my My Crew shirt on for the video. And check this out. I don't know if you've seen this. Let's get the light back on for Brett right here, man. You see it? That's the shirt I was wearing tonight. I think that's going to be the next run for the giveaway shirts. So when everybody orders giveaway shirts, this would be the ones they get instead of the ones I got. We're going to go with this design. And we're just going to keep on trapping, man, just like it says. But that's what we're out here doing in the Trapway tonight, guys. Just hanging out. I figured I'd do a light show. It's been a minute. I don't know where my hoverboard went. Oh, I got off of it up here. Let's go get this thing, man. I like riding this. Let's check this out. I got to get it out to the car meets, man. I've been meaning to. I forget it every time. I got so much going on. Check this out. Yeah. Even the hoverboard is lit, man. That's how we're doing it out here tonight, man. I bet my neighbors, they hate me. They probably think I'm crazy. They're like, man, what is this guy's deal? They don't understand what it's like when you do social media for work and like YouTube and stuff. They don't get it. You don't really have a normal schedule. There's so many different things going on and different hours to work. Guys, my schedule is up all the time. I get naps and sleep, but it's not much. I'm a very, very busy guy, and I have a great week planned ahead. I really want to get out and do a lot of things. Hopefully the weather permits and we can get around to do all the stuff that we want to do. It'd be great. And I know Brett up there in Osceola, they have the car meets. I'm sure that they'll do that probably every night. Probably Tuesday through Thursday night, I'm guessing, but that's not anything official, guys. Don't quote me on that. That's just my assumption from post patterns. But that's what I assume. And guys, I like to get out and get up to those. I know during the week we have a harder time getting out to a lot of different stuff, but I know Portillo's is on Tuesday. I'm not sure what's going on up there this week exactly, like what the theme or whatever is, but I'd like to get up there. And I know also Kevin Masters, where we went up to see the old Willie's Hot Rods, that's what they were, and all the old cars. He has invited us back up again. We are welcome to go back up there, so we may get up there and do a shoot with Kevin. I want to get with Mike from Subla Graphics, and I want to do a shoot from up there at his place and just show everybody, you know, like what he's doing, what he's got going on, and just help promote him. Here's his card again, guys. Check this out. There it is. If you're slow, pause it, and then you get it. But man, he's got the stickers. He's the official sticker maker for Trap My Ride, guys. We're gonna get that on there. I have the My Crew sticker for the Blazer, guys, but there's a project for that coming. So we're just gonna wait. But I do want to get it on. I thought about just getting another sticker just to slap on, just so I have one, and then the other one's for the other project. So I may do that also. I'm not sure. But guys, busy week. Stay tuned. That's what we're looking forward to. Bam. Don't forget to get your giveaway shirts. I still have plenty. Oh wow, I think I hit my candle. That's funny. I always run into stuff. Oh well. But I still have plenty of shirts. Make sure you get them. You can get them at PayPal. Just click the link, get in there, order your shirts. Every shirt comes with a ticket for the giveaway, guys. Don't miss out on this little truck. And as long as I have it, I'm going to keep driving it, keep running improvements, all that sort of stuff. So, you know what I mean? Make sure you get your shirts. Definitely don't miss out. Somebody is going to be very, very happy with this little truck. And it's going to be just like this, guys. It's all lit up in here too. This will all change color, flip, do all that stuff. The underglow does all of it, guys. I love it. But that's what I'm doing tonight, guys. I'm going to pack this up and call it a day. We're going to get out to O'Reilly's early in the morning and get the alternator. I don't know if we'll start on that project yet. I think I might have something else in store. I think I need to go over to Bremen and get the headlights for the Blazer. I'm going to order the ring lights for that. Those should be coming here real soon. I'm going to make sure that that's all taken care of and on its way. They should be ordered, but I'm making sure that I checked out and everything's good. But that's what we're doing tonight, guys. Creeping while you're sleeping. I figure I'd give you a light show and a trap date. And like McFly, man, I'm riding around on the hoverboard. Woo, let's go forward now. This thing's so much fun. Everybody should have one of these. But I definitely got to get my hoverboard out to the meets when we get, guys. It's a blast. But alright, guys, that's enough of me. We're just out here chilling, man. We're taking it easy. It's a beautiful night, beautiful weather, and I'm just enjoying the scenery. Plotting and planning, planning and plotting. But until the meantime, until the next time, there you see it.